Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tubi app. We click on settings. In this page, here this first page, as you see, we click on settings like this. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here, you will search about the application of Tubi app. Then we go to apps, app info. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your